Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way 3-minute series, lesson 54a, in which we will take rules of stopping, part 2. In part 1, we have learned 4 rules. So let's start with 5th rule. In Arabic, rounded ta is used for feminine nouns. For example, muslimatun or muslimatan, right? If you stop at such a letter, then you convert it to ha and make it sakina. Very simply, like girls' names are Muslimat, Muslimah, Mu'minah, Shakirah, Khalidah, and so on. So, if you stop at Muslimatan, it will become Muslimah. Radiyatin, Radiyah. Haviyatun, Haviyah. And same way, if you have, Dhamma, Kasra, or Fatha, it's the same. Al-Qari'atu will become Al-Qari'ah. So, answer me. Muslimatan will become Muslimah. Radiyatin, Radiyah. Hawiyatun, Hawiyah. Al-Qari'atu, Al-Qari'ah. Rule number 6. If there is an alif mad, ya mad, or waw mad before the last letter, like we have tukadhibani, ar-rahimi, fayakunu. So before the last letter we have ba, hi, ku. Then you can stop at these words with 2, 4, or 6 harakats. And this generally occurs at the end of an ayah. So, tukadhibani will become tukadhiban, tukadhiban, or with 6, tukadhiban. Alright, similarly, ar-rahim, can you stop with 2, 4, and 6? 2 harakat. Ar-rahim, 4, ar-rahim, 6, Ar-Rahim. So we can say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, like that. Or Fayakunu. Let's stop with 2. Fayakun. 4. Fayakun. 6. Fayakun. In rule 7, we have a similar rule. If there is a soft ya or soft waw before the last letter, for example, was-sayfi, we have say, or khawfin, we have khaw. Then you can stop with 2, 4, or 6 harakat. And also this occurs at the end of an ayah in general. So you can stop, for example, was-sayfi with 2 harakat, was-sayf, 4, was-sayf, or 6, was-sayf. So let us stop with 2, 4, and 6. Was-sayfi. Was-sayf, was-sayf, was-sayf. Alright, khawfin, 2, 4, and 6. Khawf, khawf, khawf. That's it. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.